Hello, We the Changers. This is your 30-second Sage Up reminder to clear space for you to be more productive. So, set your feeties flat on the floor. Relax your shoulders and take a deep breath in. If you're comfortable, close your eyes. If not, glance towards the ground. Take a deep breath in and just let it go. And this time, take a deep breath in through your nose, noticing the temperature of the air as it comes in and as it goes out. Take another deep breath in, noticing the temperature of the air as it comes in and as it goes out. Now notice the sensations of your feet supported by the floor. Bring your focus back into the room, and you are ready for your next task. Thank you.